350 horsepower, 261 kilowatts 3-phase motor on receipt. The cooling fan. The driving end before dismantling. Dismantling in progress. The rotor before it's extracted from the stator. View of the rotor from the connection end. View of the connection end after the rotor is removed. Close-up view of the winding seen with grease contaminant. View of the non-connection end after rotor is removed. Close-up view of shows flash winding. The main rotor. View of the driving end of the main rotor. The non-driving end of the rotor. The terminal plate. Stator cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. Insertion of Class H insulation slot liners done. Rewinding in progress. View of the non-connection end. Rewinding in progress. View of the connection end. Rewinding done. Ready for binding. View of the connection end after rewinding is complete. Ready for binding. Binding of the non-connection end in progress. Rewinding completed. Ready for connection. Binding of the connection end in progress. Rotor cleaned and inserted in the stator. View of the connection end after rotor is inserted. New bearing fitted. We only use SKF bearing. New bearing fitted on the non-driving end. Motor tested, painted and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.